When my office handles a brain injury case, it's different than other offices. Because of the seriousness of the injury, I am personally involved, as I am with all my cases. And what happens is I make sure that you're directed through your doctors to the right experts, because on many of these brain injury cases, it takes very special experts, medical experts, to make sure that you're treated properly. And these experts include neurologists, neurosurgeons, neuropsychologists, neuroradiologists. All these people, these doctors are excellent doctors who I have also worked with. And what the goal is for you to focus on getting better. I'll handle the case. We want you to focus on getting better. And by doing that, we're going to be able to achieve maximum compensation, monetary compensation for you. I want to tell you now about how my personal involvement was so important in a brain injury case that I handled. A woman was crossing a street and a truck came, hit her down, and she fell on her head. Now, during the course of her treatment and litigation, many MRIs and CAT scans were taken of her brain. Well, we had a settlement conference coming up, and I needed to find, out of these hundreds, maybe it was thousands of images, the best one for the settlement conference. I actually brought a radiologist, a neuroradiologist, into my office, and we sat down together and we looked at all these images on my computer. We found a very dramatic MRI that showed the hemorrhage to her brain. We made a picture of that image. We brought that into the settlement conference. And you know when they say, it may sound a little corny, a picture is worth 1,000 words? When the defense and the insurance adjuster saw that image at the settlement conference, end of story. And the case settled for a considerable amount of money. What makes me different as an attorney than a lot of the other attorneys out there is I leave no stone unturned. Now, every case has evidence. Many cases have a lot of evidence. It's a matter of going through that evidence and finding that needle in the haystack. I will find that needle in a haystack. If there's hundreds of MRI images, I will find the right MRI image to show brain hemorrhage. If it means going down to the scene and standing there at the scene, seeing a traffic pattern, I'll go down to the scene and I'll see, why did that accident happen? Accidents just don't happen. There's a reason. I will find out why it happened. And that's only done through very hard work, leaving no stone unturned, getting the job done.